Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your MetaMask wallet to BENQI. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your MetaMask official website. And of course, you also have to ensure that you already have your MetaMask extension. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will ensure that you are on the Avalanche's C chain network. So go to the network section, which is right here, and then what you will have to do is you will look for what I've just said, which is Avalanche C chain network. So you should make sure that it is available for you before doing this. So after you have your Avalanche C chain network already, and if you've already added it, what you will do is you will visit your BENQI app, whether on your browser or your phone. It really depends on you. And then after that, after you visit that site, you will just have to click Connect Wallet, and then you will select MetaMask, and then you will approve the connection in the MetaMask pop-up, and your wallet should now be linked to BENQI. So yeah, you can start your staking, swapping, or lending, and you should always double check you are on the correct network so that you will be able to avoid losing funds. So yeah, keep that in mind. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.